On Friday, October 30th, the UCLA Lake Arrowhead Symposium presents Advancing Environmental Justice and Climate Action. Join Naila Pope Hardin, State Policy Advocate with Climate Plan, Anna Krager, Environmental Equity Program Manager with the Greenlighting Institute, and Bernadette Austin, Acting Director of the UC Davis Center for Regional Change, as they share their perspectives on the opportunities to advance climate action and environmental justice as part of COVID-19 recovery. Speakers will address policy, advocacy work, community organizing, and the need for connections between research, advocacy, and communities. This is an interactive fireside chat session. After facilitating a discussion among panelists, the MC will turn it over to the audience for questions, answers, and discussion from Zoom participants. For more information, visit uclaarrowheadsymposium.org.